Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is horse gram curry and horse gram stir fry. Before we get into the recipe, let's know a few nutritional facts. Horse gram or kulti is one of the lesser known and underrated beans which is extremely high in iron and protein. It is also the richest in calcium amongst all lentils. Today's recipe is a vegan recipe which is extremely delicious and nutritious. Do stick till the end to know more. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Do like, comment and share. So let's get into the recipe. Take 750 grams of horse gram or kulti. Soak for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Add this to a pressure cooker. Add 1 liter of water. One teaspoon of salt. And pressure cook for 2 whistles over medium flame. Once done, strain the water. Boil this water till it reduces to half of its quantity. Meanwhile, to a pan add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is zira, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi, quarter teaspoon of tur dal, quarter teaspoon of rice. Roast this well on low flame. Once done, transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Now to a mixer jar, add 1 onion roughly chopped, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, and roasted cumin and fenugreek mixture. Add half cup of water. Grind this to a fine paste. This is our masala paste. To another mixer jar, add quarter cup of cooked horse gram and grind this to a fine paste like this. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water while grinding. Now coming back to the horse gram water, which has been boiling and is now reduced to half of its quantity. Now add in the fine masala paste, mix it well. Add in the grinded horse gram. Mix this again. And add quarter cup of tamarind pulp. Salt as per taste. I'm going to boil everything on high flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep stirring every now and then. Once it starts to thicken, add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and boil again for a couple of minutes and then turn off the flame. Now for the tempering, In a tadka pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add in 6 crushed garlic cloves. Add 3 to 4 dry red chilies. Turn off the flame and then add 2 tablespoons of curry leaves. Now mix everything well. You can see our curry has thickened well and it's almost done, and it's the perfect time to add in our tempering. Our delicious horse gram curry is all done. I usually add meatballs or boiled eggs to this curry. As it's vegan today, I have skipped it totally. Now let's move to our second recipe, which is horse gram stir fry. This is a very simple and easy recipe to make, and it's packed with nutrients and it's healthy too. To a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it turns hot, set the flame on medium and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Three to 4 crushed garlic cloves. 3 slit green chilies. A few curry leaves. And 1 onion finely chopped. Saute well and cook the onions till they change color. And then add in the cooked horse gram. Now mix everything really well. And then add half cup of freshly grated coconut. Mix it again. Now cover and cook this on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes and garnish with coriander leaves. And it's done. Serve this kulti curry or horse gram curry and stir fry along with steamed rice for a wholesome and healthy meal. If you like this recipe, then do give a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you're new on my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description box. And thank you so much for all the love and support. Happy cooking!